everyone, I am Rich Kim and welcome back to Richie Revs. Got another weekend, another meet. We are going to South OC Cars and Coffee. If you all already know, or don't know I should say, you know, OC Cars and Coffee is like one of the biggest weekly car meets, I guess, in the nation. And yeah, today is supposed to be a pretty stacked day. I'm pretty sure there's going to be some very like high-end exclusive and limited cars there. So I'm actually pulling up with some people. I think they're pretty much all Z owners, but we'll see. So yeah, it should be interesting. Hopefully it's a good turnout. I do know that there will be some like really sick stuff there. Hopefully they pull up while I am there. I'm not sure how long I'm going to stay. But yeah, I mean, about to leave. You know, just did a little startup for you all with the valves closed, obviously, because, you know, I'm in my garage and I don't want to piss off my neighbors, because as you all know, or if you don't know, you know, I have had issues with my Valvetronic exhaust and my neighbors before. So yeah, valves are closed. But yeah, gonna head out now. I'll see you all at the meetup spot and then at the actual meet. All right, so we're walking around now. Oh shit. Yo, this is sick. Dude, this guy lowered his Cybertruck. What the hell, man? Another Cybertruck. Bruh. Oh!
Yeah. It was a blue Subi.
Ooh, the Adro.
Okay.
The one behind
want M8?
wheels.
This is M3? It's a different bumper.
With? It's just like, I look at that. Yeah.
That V10. Is this in a mirror? It's dope. Dude, my fonts are so sick. Alright, super gang.
Yeah, those are all beamers. You heard okay, what's that?
Hey, I got that on video, by the way.
Whatever.
They call these BMWs. It's true. It is.
Like the poster board. Yeah, I finally got a chance to drive one, and then honestly, it felt not too different from a Z, really. The new Z, yeah.
It's literally the same.
Like, if I was to say anything, it felt like my 370Z, but with new Z power. So lighter. Okay, that looks sick. It's hot.
This is dope.
It's sunny.
Saw clouds and I was like, it's gonna be
Dude, this R8 is sick. This is so clean. Exotics pulled up. Alright, so we're over here in Anaheim for Adam Polishes Cars and Coffee. Yo, there's some sick stuff over here, man. This thing is crazy. This guy's license plate is the Lord Gap. Dude, look at this fucking turbo. Check out that fucking turbo. That's a big ass turbo. It's fucking huge. Yeah, I'd believe it. And now this is like a good amount of diversity, I think. Like that one other meet that we went to in Anaheim for K&N filters, like it was pretty much like all Americans. Like they had some stuff, but like here you literally have like everything. Like even Tesla's pulled up. I mean, You guys know how I feel about Teslas, but I mean, at least they're not stock, right? Like, they all have like some sort of character. Got that Supra. Alright, let's keep walking. Dope. Is this a wrap? I've never seen this color. Oh, hey, is this a 350?
Oh.
350. Do you know this car? Sonic
We
Tune.
went to yeah, Sunday Steel.
Yeah, dude, Will should have parked over here. This is his crew. His crew.
Oh, this. I think this was the club that.
Anaheim, K&N filters. Yep. That's why Will's over here. He's talking to all the GT350 owners. Ooh. Yo. Now, what do Viet people say about VTEC? Team?
Is that a fun number?
Shit. It's like my car. See, he has BBSs and a different lip. I think F8X Poppy. My boy Louie. So apparently this GTR is the owner of Dialed In Auto House. This is dope. Got fresh kicks pulled up over here too. Clean M4, as always. Dope. Yo, Status 7 pulled up. They leave it. Oh,
The window's not working.
unfortunate.
You say yo or hey? Hey, what's up, guys? It's Richie Rev, back with another video. Today we're gonna be cruising over to I don't know where. We're joined by Melly and her D, Janet, Will, and my brother.
Nice. But yes, exactly. We just got done with the Adam Polish meet, so we are headed over to eat some brunch, and then yeah. So I'm gonna film the cruise on over. So yep, that's pretty much it. I don't think anything else is really gonna go on. You know, that was just some fun highway driving with the gang. But yeah, hope you all liked the video. This should be a combination of the Adam Polish meet and Cars and Coffee, I believe, when I edit it. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Catch you in the next one.